I'm Dr. Vivek Verma, orthopedic oncologist from Max Hospitals, Delhi. So I'm looking forward for this conceptual course in which we are going to physically meet and discuss case scenarios, real life cases. So far, you all have been seeing us on videos, and it's been a virtual learning. But now it's time where we can meet face to face and we can discuss in person about all the cases. And I think this is a very good opportunity for all of us because uh, for me also, I'll be really happy to see all my students whom I see on my computer. But for you also, I think it's a good opportunity to see all the faculties who will be there to answer your question on a one-to-one basis. And for the new residents who are in first year, I think this is a very good platform. So where you see the comprehensive coverage of orthopedics being covered by the eminent faculties from across the country. So looking forward to see you all. Have a good day. Thank you.